the permissible acts in Ihram. Number 1, using miswak. Number 2, wearing a ring. Number 3, to apply kohl into eyes. However, it is makruh tanzihi for the muhrim to use kohl unnecessarily. To bath without removing dirt from the body. Washing clothes, but it is haram to do so with the intention of killing lice. Scratching at the body or the head such that their hair does not fall out is permissible. To use an umbrella or to sit under shade. To insert the ends of shawl into tehban. To extract teeth. To detach a broken nail. To rupture a pimple. To remove hair from the eye. To remove circumcision is, to perform circumcision is jaiz, is permissible. To kill pest and harmful creatures such as rat, lizard, snake, scorpion, mosquito, fly, etc. To wrap a bandage around any part of the body except for the head and the face. Although a muhrim can wrap a bandage around the head or the face in case of compulsion, he will have to pay expiation for it. To place a pillow under one's head or cheek. To cover ears with a cloth. To place one's own hand or someone else's hand onto the nose or the head. Cloth or handkerchief cannot be placed. To cover the chin below the beard with a cloth is permissible. To eat the food in which clove, cinnamon, etc. have been cooked. It does not matter even if fragrance is still emanating from it. Similarly, it is permissible to eat the food or drink the beverage in which uncooked fragrance has been added and the fragrance does not emanate from it. To apply almond or coconut oil to the body on hair, provided it has no fragrance. It is permissible to wear such shoes that do not hide the instep, that is the raised middle part of the foot. Hence, the muhrim is advised to wear flip-flops, that is an open sandal with a thong between the big and the second toe.